Ideas that work for better affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be an essential part of your website's future. You need to do all of your research so that you don't lose a ton of money or customers. You also need to have a reliable network of affiliates. There are some tips listed below to help you start. One affiliate marketing program to take advantage of is a pay-per-click search engine. A PPC engine is one that prioritizes search results according to advertiser payments. When you bid on a keyword with a PPC engine, your site will appear higher on searches for that keyword. Because you only pay the PPC engine for successful searches that direct visitors your way, bidding for PPC keywords can be a very cost-effective strategy. Affiliate marketing is a great way to link your website or blog to companies that can make you money. Adding links for specific products to your site will help to not only draw you more targeted traffic, but also earn you a percentage if the people click the link and buy it. As an affiliate marketer, your reputation is directly linked to the reputation of the company whose products you are promoting. This means that you need to choose your company wisely based on more than just the products offered. You need to check on the company's reputation to make sure they're viewed favorably. Target keywords and reviews that you write for the marquee products you will promote on your site. Create backlinks to the review you have written, and it will increase the search engine ranking. This strategy will target the people who are actually interested in buying things. There are lots of sites, books, newsletters offering get-rich affiliate marketing ideas for a smaller investment. Do not believe in these products and don't waste your money buying them. They may give you a few good ideas, but you definitely won't become a millionaire using their strategies overnight. Affiliate marketing requires hard work and it takes several months to start generating considerable income. A good affiliate marketing tip is to make sure the products you're going to sell on your website are relevant. If you sell electronics, it wouldn't be wise to join an affiliate program that wants you to start selling pet food. Irrelevant products may confuse customers and drive them away. Affiliate marketing tools that promise to take the place of knowledge, skills, and abilities are a waste of time and money for beginners. While a seasoned affiliate marketer who understands how affiliate marketing works might benefit from some of this software, it is worthless for newbies. There is no substitute for simply wading in and getting your feet wet in the affiliate marketing world. Affiliate marketing can be very rewarding, but it can also be a lot of work. Regardless, if you know what to do and how to market smarter, you can really help promote your website. So, do yourself a favor and do your research and apply the above tips to your affiliate marketing strategy. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.